Assalamu alaikum. This is Abdulrhman Uthman, a student of King Faisal University. In this lesson, we will change navigation and theme of OracleFlix project. This lesson is related to lessons 7, 8, and 9. So make sure you finish them before continuing here. Click Application Builder or the Applications in Dashboard. Click OracleFlix project. Our project uses universal theme and therefore uses navigation list. Click Shared Components. Under Navigation, click List. We have a navigation menu and navigation part. The icons here can be changed using image class. Click the navigation menu. Click Home. Click the selection for image class. Select Home. Click the arrow right on the upper left to move to the next page and do the same. Click the selection for image class. Select FA User. Click Apply Changes. Click Run Page on the upper right. We can also see here the parents of our pages. Let's create a list entry and move some pages there. Click Create List Entry. Across List Entry Label type, Manage Data. In Target type, choose No Target. Click Create List Entry. Click Customers. Change Parent List Entry to Manage Data. Click Apply Changes. Run the page. Click Lists. Click Desktop Navigation Bar. Click Create List Entry. Type FA User in image class. Type &app_user dot in list entry label. Change target type to URL. In URL target, type hashtag. Scroll down to user defined attributes. In number 2, which is for list item CSS classes, type has username. Click Create List Entry. Click Log Out Page and change page list entry to app user. Click Apply Changes. Run the page. Notice your username displayed and under it is logout. While in the running app, click Theme Roller. There are 3 colors there that control the content, sidebar, and gradient. You may play around with it. Afterwards, click Save As, then type Style 1. Click Save. Click OK. Click Set as Current. In our next lesson, we will create a new project that uses tabs navigation. Thank you for your interest in this channel. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for your notification on new videos.